Artificial intelligence is changing the way we create, interact, and even think about art. What once required years of practice, a steady hand, and an artist's intuition can now be achieved with a few prompts and clicks. AI art generators have taken the creative world by storm, offering endless possibilities to professionals, hobbyists, and even those who never considered themselves artists before. But how do these tools work? How do you get started? And most importantly, how can you use them to create something unique and meaningful? Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI-generated art and explore everything you need to know to begin your journey. AI art generators use machine learning algorithms, typically a type of deep learning model, to create images based on input prompts. These prompts can be as simple as a few words describing a scene, or as complex as a detailed instruction set specifying styles, colors, and compositions. The magic behind these tools lies in the datasets they've been trained on. AI models learn by analyzing millions of artworks, photographs, and illustrations, understanding the patterns, textures, and techniques used in each. With this knowledge, they can generate entirely new images that resemble human-made art but are unique in their own right. There are different types of AI art generators, each with its strengths and specializations. Some popular ones include 1. Text-to-image generators. These create images from written descriptions. Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion are known for their ability to turn simple words into stunning visuals. 2. Style transfer tools. These allow you to apply the artistic style of one image to another. A photo can be transformed into something that looks like a Van Gogh painting with just a few adjustments. 3. GANs generative adversarial networks. These generate new images by pitting two neural networks against each other. One trying to create realistic images while the other attempts to detect flaws. This process refines the output, leading to incredibly detailed artwork. Getting started with AI art generators is easier than you might think. The first step is choosing the right platform. If you're looking for a simple, user-friendly experience, online tools like Deep Dream Generator or Runway ML provide an intuitive interface. For those who want more control and customization, downloading software like Stable Diffusion allows for greater flexibility and offline usage. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is crafting effective prompts. The more detailed and descriptive your prompt, the more refined your artwork will be. Instead of saying a cat, try something more specific, like a futuristic cyberpunk cat with glowing neon eyes, sitting on a rainy rooftop in a dystopian city. This level of detail helps the AI understand the scene better. Experimentation is key. AI-generated art is not an exact science. Different models interpret the same prompt in unique ways. Try tweaking words, adding stylistic references, or playing with different parameters to see how it affects the outcome. One of the most exciting aspects of AI art is combining it with traditional artistic techniques. Many artists use AI-generated images as a base and then refine them with digital painting software. Others blend AI creations with photography or animation to produce hybrid works of art. However, AI art also raises important ethical and creative questions. Who owns the rights to an AI-generated image? Should AI-created works be considered real art? While these debates continue, what's clear is that AI is a tool, one that can enhance human creativity rather than replace it. If you're looking to turn AI-generated art into something more than just a hobby, there are numerous opportunities. Many artists are selling AI-generated prints, using AI-generated assets for game design, or incorporating AI visuals into branding and marketing materials. With NFT marketplaces and print-on-demand services, the potential for monetization is vast. The future of AI-generated art is still unfolding, and new advancements are being made every day. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and intuitive tools, greater realism in generated images, and more opportunities for artists to push creative boundaries. Starting your journey with AI art generators is an exciting adventure. Whether you want to create surreal dreamscapes, futuristic cityscapes, or painterly masterpieces, these tools give you the power to bring your imagination to life. The best way to learn is by doing so. Start experimenting, keep refining, and most importantly, have fun with it. Art has always been about exploration and self-expression. AI is just another medium, a new set of brushes and paints that opens up infinite possibilities. The future of creativity is here, and you have the power to shape it.